Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to make $1,000 every single week from swing trading stocks. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys are new to the channel and you're like, who's this random guy on YouTube? My name is Carter. I'm a full-time trader in the stock market. And with that being said, if you want to learn how to find these stocks, I highly recommend checking out the Swing Trading Masterclass. It's our school. It's my pride, my joy. Everything about swing trading is in there. How to find stocks, my strategies, my mindset, all of that stuff. So check that out down below. We got private live streams, we got private group chat, we got quizzes, we got lectures, everything. If you want to take swing trading seriously, check out our school. Honestly, check it out. It's awesome. And guys, let's just jump into this here. So with swing trading, this is going to be pretty much the strategy that I would recommend given the market conditions. As the stock market changes, your strategy will change as well. This strategy that we're going to be talking about is a shorting strategy. Shorting is different than buying a stock. It's where you pretty much borrow the stock from your stockbroker in hopes to sell it back at a higher or at a lower price, and you make that difference. Now, the issue with shorting is there's no max amount of money you can lose. And what I mean by that is if you buy a stock for $1, the worst that it can go to is zero, right? And you lose $1. Compared to if you short a stock at $1 and it goes to $10, $20. Now you're out $10, $20 on a dollar trade. So the biggest thing, guys, when using this type of strategy is have everything planned out. You know, this should be your norm anyways, but especially with shorting, you know, you should have your stop loss set, your profit set, everything. So let's dive into this here. So when it comes to swing trading in the stock market, what is the best approach? So for me, basic support and basic resistance is literally the easiest thing you guys can do. Support here is where we get good buying pressure. Looking at this yellow line down here on the bottom, you guys can actually see it hits it several times and we get good buying pressure there. So this represents a very, very nice support for this stock here. Now, resistance, on the other hand, is where we get selling pressure. So looking at this, you guys can see that it hits this price every single time and we get natural selling pressure. So if you're going to want to buy this stock, where would you want to buy it? Yes, you'd want to buy it down here on the $60 mark, right on that support line. If you want to sell the stock or short the stock, you want to short it all the way up here. The biggest thing with swing trading and trading in the markets is planning everything out, like I said. So looking at this stock here, you guys can see that it's trading near and around, or it was trading near and around $83. Now, $83, looking at the RSI, is an overvalued point for the stock. The last time it was trading for that was all the way back in here where we had this little sell-off, and then previous to that was all the way back in here where we had this major sell-off. So now looking at the stock, right, it's overvalued on the RSI. It's very overvalued on resistance where we could get sell-off. The next thing I want to look at here is going to be looking at the hourly chart. What we're looking at for the hourly chart is the breakdown below these moving average lines. So normally with our trades, we're looking for a break up through them. With this type of trade, you're looking for a breakdown through them. There's two entry points you guys can enter on. The first one is going to be entering on the breakdown of the 90-day moving average line, and pretty much what this is just going to be clear confirmation. And looking back, the last time it broke down through them, you guys can see it just stair-stepped its way down, and this is what we look for confirmation, that breakdown under the moving average lines. So you guys can see once it was trading for above it, it uses it as support. The second it breaks down through it, shortly after, we get major sell-off. And then you take profit when it breaks up through it again. So you guys can see it breaks up through it and it slowly rallies its way higher, higher, higher. So now we're looking for this where we get that breakdown through it. So doing that will help you enter at a very, very overvalued point for the stock. You'll have confirmation of sell-off and a possible trend reversal. Using these simple strategies and techniques can definitely save you a bunch of money. Now, the last thing I do want to talk about when it comes to swing trading is It's not easy, right? I'm breaking down this simple strategy, and yes, we haven't even hit that confirmation level yet, but this is a very simple strategy. Whether you're buying the stock, you try to buy it on the support instead of the resistance, and then shorting, obviously you're going to start the short on the resistance. So the biggest thing, guys, is swing trading and trading the markets is not easy. It's not. I break down these videos so you guys can learn strategies and techniques, so you guys can start that process of learning and paper trading. So guys, understand this is a job, it's a career, and you have to treat it like one. So I highly recommend checking out our course and our school and our community where you guys can learn how to properly trade in the markets. And guys, we'll see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. And this is a very simple strategy you guys can do to start making money. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See ya.